Sebia Car Check Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get used car inspections wrong. They assume checking a car's history is complicated, slow, or unreliable. The surprising truth about Sebia Car Check is that it provides fast, detailed vehicle history reports, and you won't believe how much insight you can get before even stepping into the dealership. Here's how it works. Sebia aggregates data from national vehicle registers, insurance records, accident reports, and mileage databases. By entering a car's VIN or registration number, you instantly see information about previous owners, accidents, mileage discrepancies, outstanding finance, and even whether the car has been stolen or written off. For example, imagine you're looking at a 5-year-old hatchback. On paper, it looks perfect, but a Sebia report reveals it was previously involved in a moderate accident and had its odometer altered. Most people get this wrong. They assume a seller will disclose everything, but many issues go unreported. Using Sebia helps you negotiate more confidently or avoid risky purchases altogether. Additional benefits include real-time updates, easy-to-read reports, and accessibility on both desktop and mobile. Users praise Sebia for accuracy, speed, and the peace of mind it provides. However, there are considerations. Sebia reports rely on registered data, so very recent accidents for minor unreported incidents may not appear. Most people assume a clean report guarantees perfection. Always combine it with a physical inspection and mechanic check. In conclusion, Sebia Car Check is ideal for anyone buying or selling a used car who wants transparency, confidence, and actionable information. Using it could save you thousands and avoid future headaches. Subscribe for more honest reviews of car services and automotive tools.